Good morning. This is the second day of my daily video series where I show you the day in the life and I document my journey as an entrepreneur, as a businessman, as an agency owner at 22 years old. So today is a very interesting day. Just like how every day is an interesting day. You should try and make every day an interesting day. Otherwise, every day will be a boring day. And if every day is a boring day, then there's nothing to remember that day. And if there's nothing to remember that day, days go by fast. And time flies. And you start to wonder, where did all the time go? So I'm starting my day as always going to the gym and getting a workout. Today is push day. So sorry, I had push day yesterday, so today is pull day. That means back and biceps. So I will have a bit of back and bicep workout today, and then later on I have some training that I have to go for, and then I can start my work day. To be honest, I still consider going to the gym, if you're doing an activity, if you're doing some sort of martial art or something, whatever you're doing, I still consider it work, because you're doing it to build your body, to build your discipline, to build your strength, to build your mindset. And these are all important qualities to be consistent when you're running your business, right? So I still think that it is work at the end of the day. It is part of the work because it's important. You may not want to wake up every day and get to work, but if you find something that you want to wake up for, like a workout or a morning run, whatever it may be, at least it'll get you out of bed and it'll give you motivation. But this is the thing about motivation. It's unreliable. Motivation will only take you so far. And that's where discipline comes in. Alright, what is discipline? Discipline is doing the things you don't want to do, but doing it like you love it. Okay? That's what Mike Tyson said. And he's correct. There'll be days where you don't want to wake up. There'll be days where you don't want to work as hard. There'll be days where you don't feel like taking the sales calls. You just need to be disciplined in those days and push through them. Because then you will really build the mental fortitude to take every day on without worrying too much about how you feel and just worrying about what you need to get on with. So yesterday's video was a bit long. I think it topped out at like 32 minutes. And I'm trying to keep these videos a bit shorter, so I'm going to try and do a bit less talking on these morning rides. And just kind of talk about things when it comes to my mind, rather than just trying to talk a bit more generally. But the point is, I want to try and keep these videos between 15 minutes long to like 10 minutes to 15 minutes long. Because I personally feel like if you have 30 minutes in the day to watch a video, then you have too much time on your hands, right? If you're watching videos, and the thing about YouTube is it hooks you in. You'll watch one 30-minute video, then another 30-minute video, and then a 5-minute video, and then a 10-minute video, and then you're going to waste an hour or 2 hours just watching YouTube. And if you have that kind of time, then it just tells me you're not really doing much with your day. You're not really doing much with your time. You're not spending your valuable time trying to make a difference, trying to create something, or trying to help people and making money along the way. So I wouldn't want to watch a 30-minute video, so I'm trying to not make my videos 30 minutes too, so you guys don't have to spend so long watching them. Alright, I've just stopped at a post office. Need to go drop off a parcel, and then I'll head to the gym and get a workout going. I'll probably just see you guys back home though, so see you in a bit. Alright, so I went to the post office, but they were shut. They didn't open yet. There's no one at the till, so I had to come to the gym. So I'm at the gym now, and I'm going to do my workout first, and then I'm going to leave. So what's the lesson in this? The lesson is always check the timings before you go out. If I just checked, I would have not wasted that entire 3-minute detour, of going there and then coming back here, and I have to go back after my gym as well, so I have to leave earlier than expected. So always check the time, guys, and if things like this happen, it's fine. No need to feel too stressed about it or too annoyed about it. It's just life, no reason to get so ticked off about it. Alright, now I'm actually going to see you at home. Alright guys, so I've come back from the gym. It's been a few hours actually since then. Between now and then I came back home and I did some training. So I like to do some horse riding. I do like horses. So I do horse riding at least 3 times a week. I didn't film that. Let's get to know each other a bit more first before I show you how good I am at riding a horse. But I had a really cool idea. I'm gonna make a video right now. This is not gonna be part of this video, but I'm gonna record a video where I'm kind of going through one of my sales calls. So recently I closed a client in a $1,000 retainer, and there's potential for that to jump up to $3,000 retainer. So I'm thinking maybe I should start a series on YouTube where every time I close a client, I kind of make a video on it, and I'm watching the same video of me closing the client, and I'm kind of seeing what I've done right, what I've done wrong, and giving you guys feedback on, okay, this is what you should have done, this is what you shouldn't have done, and kind of analyzing what I did to allow the sale to go through. So just recently I sold someone on the 1K retainer, as I mentioned, and I also got them to pay on the call, and that was just the first time that I got on a call with them. So we had not seen each other previously, and it's always fun when that happens. It's happened a few times, but it's always fun when it happens. It never gets old, because when you can close a client on call, then yeah, I got a good offer here. So I'm gonna make a video on that right now. So the next few hours I'll be just doing that video. I'll edit it, and then I'll get it scheduled, and then I think I have some calls later on today, and then I'll probably record some of that. I mean, my day is not so hectic, and I don't really go out much. I do, but not I mean, there's not much to show you other than me just actually working. But I mean, this is the point, right? I'm trying to show you the grind and the hustle it takes to get, to become a millionaire or a multi-millionaire. In the beginning you have to work hard, and even if you have a team, you have to still work hard, get things done, make content. Making content is part of work, because you're trying to grow an audience, right? You watching this, you're seeing how I am, you're seeing my mental state, the kind of value I'm giving, and you want to be a part of it, and then you join a community. Maybe I'll start a community one day you'll join that community, and you want to hear from me. So this is all work. It's all community building, creating an audience, and then you can use that to create leverage in the future, right? So it's all work. I say this because sometimes I feel like making content or doing other things other than actually being in front of the computer working is not necessarily work, but it is work, because you are doing things that will allow you to leverage or create leverage in the future. So it is work. So I will get on with that, and I will catch up with you guys in a bit.